Hello and welcome to Model Rail video number 8, designed to be enjoyed in conjunction with your monthly Model Rail magazine. As usual, this programme is packed with hints, tips, techniques and layouts and plenty of step-by-step demonstrations. With the summer now long gone and the winter nights drawing in, many modellers will have plenty of time to spend on this great hobby. Out at the preserve railways, it's getting a bit chilly and grey at this time of year, but there's still plenty to see and do at fantastic displays like the new Steam Museum here at Swindon, dedicated of course to the Great Western Railway. In the course of this programme, we'll be looking at the wide range of imaginative exhibits, from full-size locomotives to buttons and badges. On our roster in this programme is a look at Alan Buckingham's Wintergate High Level LMS layout. Darren Sherwood is demonstrating more new slants on weathering and shows a constant lighting kit in action. Model Rail editor Chris Lee shows how to add the little details which really complete a model building, while Dave Lowry reveals the techniques for fitting etched grills and fans to diesels. There's also our usual dip into the archive film file to see Class 37s, HSTs and LMS 4Fs in action. And we round off with a visit to Mike Ellis's evocative 00 gauge layout, which is loosely based on Church Stretton in the 1960s. Steam, the Museum of the Great Western Railway, has been open here at Swindon since June 2000. When it took over from the rather old-fashioned and very cramped Great Western Museum in Farringdon Road.